Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we are making lemon muffins from Final Fantasy XIV's second cookbook. To begin with, we are making our lemon sugar topping, which is half a cup or 100 grams of cane sugar. So I used a soft brown sugar, but like a demerara would be fine, and the zest of 2 lemons. You're then going to rub that mixture together just to let some of the lemon oils and zest mix with the sugar. Here I'm just grinding down some cardamom seeds for the recipe, but obviously if you don't have those in the house or you don't have a ground version, feel free to use like cinnamon, ginger, cloves, or nutmeg. Something like that would work as a substitute. In a large bowl, we're putting 2 1/3 cups or 280 grams of all-purpose or plain flour, 1 teaspoon or 2 grams of ground cardamom or the spice of your choice, 2 teaspoons or 8 grams of baking powder, 1 teaspoon or 6 grams of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. And then again in another bowl with regular caster sugar and the zest of 3 lemons, you're putting those together and rubbing those through as well. You'll then want to juice all of your lemons because you're going to need that in a bit. Adding to your caster sugar mix, we are going to be putting half a cup or 112 grams of melted unsalted butter, 1 cup or 227 grams of Greek yogurt, half a cup or 118 ml of buttermilk, 2 eggs, and a 1/4 cup or 59 ml of the lemon juice. Gently mix this together, but don't overdo it because we're adding it to our dry mix. Make your wet and dry mixes together, and like I said, don't overwork it too much. It needs to be really light and fluffy. We're then preparing our tray with tulip muffin cases. I've got a few different colours, so I went with that. We will then be sharing out the batter. It should be about 2/3 of the way full in your cases, giving them space to rise. They are going in the oven for 25 to 27 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit or 177. I did mine 180 degrees. Before they go in, you need to be putting your brown sugar mix on top as well. Lastly, once they're cooled, we're making a lemon drizzle to go on top. It's half a cup or 56 grams of confectioner's or icing sugar, and 1.5 tablespoons or 22.5 ml of lemon juice. Again, there should be enough from the 5 lemons that you've juiced previously. Let me know how you get on and what you think. As always, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.